Yes. In California, we have, in all jurisdictions, we have what are commonly known as statutes of limitation. Those are the time periods within which a claimant must bring a claim or be forever barred from doing so. In California, the statute of limitation for claims regarding building envelope issues, such as roofs, doors, windows, stucco, is 10 years. However, there are shorter statute of limitation periods for a number of components. Most mechanical, electrical, and plumbing claims are subject to a 4-year statute, and even noise transmission complaints are subject to a 1-year statute. So those statutes may vary depending on what component is actually the problem.